Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time around we have another pair of shoes from our friends at Soulsfeng. Thank you so much Soulsfeng for sending me so many amazing and awesome shoes. I love them. Sneakers, they're really good quality. Let's see what they got for us today. We're gonna unbox this baby up. Here we go. Alright guys, let's inspect the box. On the very top, we're gonna have a art of a running person on a track, their logo on the side. The front has their information, their name, description of the company, New York address, and a QR code. If you want more information about it, go ahead and scan the QR code. The side, this is where they open. Other side is the description of the sneaker. Then the back side has the same information of the company, description, address, and QR code. Bottom portion has nothing. All right, let's open this baby up. All right, this time we have another pair of the Flamingo sneakers. We already unboxed this in the past. They're doing a campaign for kids, so this is one of the ones we're shooting with. Here's the other one. Oh, and it comes with extra laces. That's pretty dope. That's new. All right, since we unboxed this in the past, we're gonna be brief about this. We have a Flamingo sneaker. Each side is pretty much mirroring each other. We got leaves surrounding the laces. We got the green color inside the shoe throughout, logo at the very back, and extra laces if you wanna change the color of the laces. Yeah, this is the shoe. What do you guys think? This is something that you would like to get for yourself? Please let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, I just want to give a quick shout out to Soulsfeng for trusting in our work. We're going to be photographing these sneakers for kids. A project coming up with around 20 different designs, and I'll be taking care of those photos and videos for their promotional and marketing stuff. If you like original design, amazing looking, good quality shoes, please support, follow, and buy at soulsfeng.com. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please share the video, comment below if you like something like this for yourself. Now that they're launching the kids department, all the family is involved now. Alright my friend, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.